This recipe takes 25 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Light, elegant, and deeply comforting, Kinoko Kakitamajiru is a clear Japanese soup of shiitake, shimeji, and enoki, simmered in umami-rich dashi, and seasoned with sake, mirin, and soy. Silky egg ribbons are drizzled into the hot broth for a delicate texture, finished with scallion or mitsuba, and a bright touch of yuzu, perfect for a springtime or Easter gathering that feels both refined and cozy. Let's now check the ingredients. 4 cups, 1 liter, dashi stock. Homemade kombu-katsuobushi dashi, or 2 teaspoons instant dashi granules dissolved in 4 cups water. 150 grams fresh shiitake mushrooms, stems removed, caps thinly sliced. 100 grams shimeji mushrooms, base trimmed, separated into clusters. 100 grams enoki mushrooms, base trimmed, separated. 2 large eggs, lightly beaten. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon mirin. 1 tablespoon sake. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. Or to taste. 1 scallion or small bunch mitsuba, finely chopped. Optional. A pinch of yuzu zest or a few drops of yuzu juice. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Clean and prep the mushrooms. Wipe shiitake caps, remove stems and slice. Trim the bases of shimeji and enoki and separate into bite-sized clusters. Chop the scallion or mitsuba. Prepare the dashi. If using instant, dissolve 2 teaspoons dashi granules in 4 cups water. If using homemade, have 4 cups hot dashi ready. In a medium pot, bring the dashi to a gentle boil over medium heat. Add sake, soy sauce, and mirin. Skim any foam, taste, and add a pinch of salt to balance. Add all the mushrooms, return to a gentle boil, then simmer 3 to 5 minutes until just tender and aromatic. Lightly beat the eggs until whites and yolks are mostly combined but not frothy. Create a slow swirl in the simmering soup with chopsticks or a ladle. Drizzle in the eggs in a thin stream to form delicate ribbons. Wait about 30 seconds to set. Turn off the heat. Adjust seasoning with a little more salt or soy sauce if needed. Ladle into warm bowls. Garnish with chopped scallion or mitsuba, and a touch of yuzu zest or a few drops of yuzu juice if available. Serve immediately while piping hot. This spring mushroom and egg clear soup pairs beautifully with steamed rice and subtly nods to Easter with its silky egg ribbons. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.